Hi, so you're looking for customized furniture. Let me tell you 7 benefits of working with Total Interior Solutions. Hi, I am Ankur Dasani, Director at Total Interior Solutions. I've been in the furniture industry for over a decade now. I'm also authoring a book which is compiled with 10 years of all my experiences. This book is to guide you to avoid making mistakes while you buy furniture, and it also helps you save a lot of money. So let me tell you in detail the 7 benefits of working with Total Interior Solutions. The first one is exclusivity and freedom of design. You get a wide variety of design and options available to suit your interior needs. Whether it's contemporary, classical, modern, minimalist, you are free to choose any kind of design suiting your interior requirements. The next benefit is the freedom to choose materials. You may choose any color, shape, size, whether it is wood, metal, paint finishes. It is completely can be personalized to your specific interior needs. The next benefit is that it can be customized to your exact space. Whatever shape your interior space allows, any piece can be customized to that. The next benefit of working with us is that we use the best of materials available in the industry. Now what happens is when clients push vendors or furniture manufacturers like us, people tend to cut down on the quality of the raw material. Well, we prefer to say no than to give you a substandard quality of furniture piece. So we do not compromise on the plywood, on the raw material of wood, the hardware, the fabric, the foam. We give you the best available in the industry. The next benefit of working with us is that you get the most durable furniture from us. Because we do not compromise on the raw material, because we do not compromise on the finishes, you get the most durable furniture available. The next benefit and the most important benefit of working with us is that you can actually see your piece in production. We update you with the entire life cycle of the production, from the raw material to the carcass stage to the work in progress and finishing to the final product. So you will know exactly what has gone into the insides of the furniture piece, so you are more assured of the raw material quality being used, and you are part of the entire making process. And the last but not the least and the most important benefit of working with us is that you get a guaranteed for life furniture from Total Interiors. And this guarantee is without terms and conditions. It covers your hardware, it covers your finishes, it covers your foam. All the furniture pieces going out of TIS factory are guaranteed for life. If you are in the process of buying customized furniture, don't miss out our other videos. Do check out our YouTube channel for more information to help you avoid making any mistake and to help you save money. If you need any immediate help, you can call on the number on the screen and our team would be happy to help you. Subscribe, like and share if you found this video of value.